Intercom Customer Success App. The pros, the cons. If your business wants to improve customer retention and streamline support, Intercom Customer Success might seem like the ultimate solution. But is it really worth the investment? Let's dive in. On the positive side, Intercom provides live chat, automated messaging, and robust Scrum features, all aimed at enhancing customer experience. Its standout feature is personalized messaging based on customer behavior, which allows teams to proactively engage users, resolve issues, and drive conversions. Many companies report improved retention rates, faster support responses, and more effective onboarding with Intercom's tools. Another advantage is integration with major platforms like Salesforce, Slack, and email marketing tools, ensuring customer data flows seamlessly across systems. However, there are drawbacks. Pricing can be high for growing teams, and some users find the interface complex, requiring training for optimal use. Another limitation is that while automation helps, human intervention is still essential for nuanced or sensitive customer interactions. Most people get this wrong. They assume automated messages alone improve satisfaction. The surprising truth is that proactive, personalized communication combined with human support drives real results. In conclusion, Intercom Customer Success App is a powerful solution for businesses seeking to enhance customer support, retention, and engagement. It offers automation, personalization, and seamless integration. But to maximize value, teams need strategy, training, and human oversight. For companies ready to combine automation with human care, Intercom can transform customer success.